Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make spaghetti the Haitian way. Actually, this is angel hair. I prefer the spaghetti, but my husband picked angel hair, which is it's still the same way. This is how we make spaghetti basically. So now I just browned the hot dogs. We love spaghetti with hot dogs, and I'm just gonna add some tomato paste to give it some color. And I like it. I want to make sure like the hot dogs are well cooked. I'm gonna also add some butter, about this much. And I also have this special sauce that I make. It's my grandma shared this recipe with me since I was like 6 years old, and it makes your food super delicious. Really, it has all the natural ingredients in it. Because I'm breastfeeding right now, so I want to make sure that I'm giving I'm feeding my daughter natural things, no chemicals, stuff like that. So that's what I've been using. So it's good to have a little sauce for the pasta, that way it's not dry, and it will make it tasty as well. And I'm gonna add some green bell pepper, and that so I've had many people asking me for, how do you make épices, that's how we call it the Haitian way. So here we go. I have family members, like trying this, and they really love it. Friends and family, they love this recipe. They love the épices recipe because I put some natural ingredients like green bell pepper, all of those great spices, onions, because one thing I was finding out is like every time I do groceries, and most of the time they end up being wasted because I don't use it all the time. So when I make it this way, I blend it. Sometimes I store it in the freezer. It stays for like 3 months. So basically I end up saving money. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the pasta, I'll say angel hair, I'll put it in there, okay? So and basically now I'm trying to mix the spaghetti with the hot dog, the sauce that I made. It smells delicious. Yummy. Alright, so now I'm gonna need my other hand, guys, so I can finish this. And like I said, it's very easy. You boil the pasta. You make sure you put some garlic, some salt, and you can also add some pepper. I forgot to add some pepper. I can add some right now. So I'm gonna just add a little bit of pepper, and also you can add this thing, clove. I think that's how you call it. But my husband doesn't like the taste, so usually what I do, I blend it. I put it in the blender and with a little bit of water, and that way he's not, because he doesn't like it to, well, basically smash it under his teeth. When he's eating, he doesn't like it in the food. So I didn't put it this time. And yeah, and make sure you guys follow my blog. It's Cooking the Haitian Way.blogspot.com. You guys can find some weekly recipes that I put in there. And I'm also coming out with a book, so, and I'll make sure that it's very affordable for all of you guys, and I will put some really great recipes in there, I promise. And now this is the final stage of the video. I've sprinkled a little bit of rosemary. I like the aroma of the rosemary, so I just sprinkle a little bit. And my daughter's crying right now, so I gotta hurry up, eat this, and feed her. Alright, thanks guys for watching.